to change the Spanish the language, we now choose the system, choose ox, then choose the language, then here. You can set the first language is 11. You can set. The second choose the 2, English, right? Then press return. Then choose the language, choose here, and choose the end. Then choose the first. Then set. And now is Spanish the language. And must change it to English. You can see it first. Okay, see it. Here is right. Is Spanish. And then the menu, choose the ox, choose the system. Choose which one? Must choose change the language, English. Here is more English. Just is Spanish.